Today, I'll be fixing a factory defect in the rear seat support panel.
Because at Ford, quality is job one.
I found while disassembling the car these two panels flopping around. They didn't line up correctly and were no longer spot welded together. I thought that maybe the car had been in an accident and that's what caused the misalignment of the panel, and maybe the welds broke. However, when you look closely at the area in question, you can see that these panels were never welded together. That means in 1967, when this car was originally built, it left the factory with this defect, and we'll have to make some modifications to correct it. I'm going to cut out this section here and move it about ½ an inch to the right and weld it back into place. This will allow the two panels to sit flush against each other, the way Ford intended. After cleaning up all the welding surfaces, I was able to clamp the two panels together so that they fit nice and tight. Sorry for the lousy lighting. You gotta work with what you got. After welding the two panels back together, I just had to weld in the corner piece and grind everything down. And here it is, after all the welds were ground down. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and leave any comments below.